Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the first chapter of mathematics, and this is what you know about it, that this is the real number. And about this real number, before real number you learned about the natural numbers, the whole numbers, the integers, this type of numbers from your previous classes. That means what maybe from class 1 you were learning about the numbers. You know about counting numbers, and which are the counting numbers. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that started from 1. These numbers are what number? Counting numbers. In the general we are calling these numbers what? Natural numbers. So before real number you learned about first time, we have to concentrate about what? Natural number. It is natural number. Okay. Which are the natural number? First time we have to know about natural numbers. Natural numbers are counting numbers. That means what numbers we are using in our life to count something, and these are natural numbers. What are these? These are 1, 2, 3, 4, these types of it's going on. Okay, these are started from 1 and is going on. So 1, this is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This type of these are going on, and these are natural numbers. And what are the whole numbers? When we are counting, then in mathematical language we have to know about something that is nothing. About something that is nothing. Nothing means what? About that concept there is extra another number here included, and what is this? 0. And with natural number and 0, all numbers are what number? Whole number. Okay, these are what number? Whole numbers. Whole numbers. Whole numbers are started from what? Whole number are started from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this it's going on. Okay, same thing, natural numbers are started from 1 and whole numbers are started from 0. That means the lowest natural number is 1 and the lowest whole number is what? 0. And we cannot say about the largest natural number or largest whole number. Okay, then after natural number and whole number, then there is an extra concept about negative numbers. What are negative numbers? Maybe something you have, and that is what? Positive. Something you have nothing, that means 0, but you have to give something. You have to give. That means you have nothing, you have to give. Okay, and these are what? About that concept we need about negative numbers, and for that we have another special name of the numbers, and these are what? Integers. Integers means what? Maybe you have 1, this is positive, and you have to give someone 1, and that is what? Negative. -1 and 1, and 0 also integer, then 2, -2, 3, -3, and I'll show you about integers in a number line. Okay, then after integer, what number? After integer it is partial number. Okay, partial numbers are what type of number? Partial numbers is something is available, and if you are dividing these numbers, that means if you are divided, maybe something, you have a cake, okay, and you are going to divide in 3 parts, then out of 3 parts you are taking 2 parts, that means 2 by 3, and this number is what number? Partial number. Okay, this type of numbers are partial number, and integers means whole. All this number, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 0, or -1, -2, -3, these numbers are what number? Integers. Okay, you know about integers and partial numbers. So after that, integers, after that partial numbers, all are included to what? All are included to rational numbers. We will discuss, very important. You learned about it from class 8, at 9 also, and you need it at class 10 also. Okay, rational numbers, after it what? Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. These rational and irrational all are included to real numbers. Okay, but I told you that we are going to learn about integers. That means that we are showing that I told you we are showing about the numbers in a integer number line. What are integer number lines? See, maybe this is a number line. What? Maybe you can take here 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, like this going on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal part, then -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. These are what number? Integers. Integers number line this is, and on the integer number line we are what? We are writing these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here -1, -2, -3, and from here 1, see, from here 1, these are what number? Positive number, and from -1 to the left side. These are what number? Negative numbers. And positive numbers are always what? Greater than 0, and negative numbers are always less than 0. And these are, you can say, these are positive integer. What number? These are positive integers. And the positive integers you may call in a special name, and that is what? Natural number. You learned about it, natural number. Understood? I told you from previous class you learned about it, natural numbers, but before natural number we have to know about what? Integers. What type of integers? These are integers, positive integers, and all the positive integers you can say natural numbers. And from -1 and other smaller number, these are what number? Negative integer. These are what number? Negative integers. Okay. And 0, from 0, if you are including 0 with positive integer, then these are what number? Whole numbers. These are whole numbers. Okay, that means here we are learning from what? From, we have to learn from what? From upside to downside, but we are learning from downside to upside from previous classes, because we have to know about natural number, we have to know about whole number, then integer, then partial number, then rational, then irrational. But actually the numbers we have to learn from opposite direction. That means, see, first what number? Real number, then rational, irrational, then partial come, then integer come, then whole number come, then natural number come. Okay, then I am erasing these are. So there is a chart I am going to draw here, and what is it? This is real number. What is the chart? This is real number. Okay, then the real number, there are two parts. One is rational number and another is what number? Irrational number. Irrational is irrational, separate, and rational numbers you can take here. One is what number? Integer. Okay, one is integer and another is what? Partial number. Okay, you know about integer and partial. And from integer, this is what? Integer number line. Integer number line. Okay, this is integer number line, and from integer number line you learned about negative integer, you learned about positive integer, you learned about whole numbers. Okay, then after it, after this chart, because you have to know about these are at class 9 also, at class 8 also, but I am revising these numbers as you need it to do the sum of class 10. Then after this, first time concentrate here, and maybe again and again you should learn, you should maybe clear your concept. If you have any problem, then you can ask me in the comment box of my channel. So now we are going to finish our class today. So see you on next class. So thank you for today.